What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor on this 2010 Toyota Rav4. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Mass airflow sensor is located right here on the driver's side above the airbox. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on that, pull it out. And there's two Phillips head screws right there. Just use a smaller Phillips head screwdriver. Push down. Be careful not to strip these screws out. Pull that one out. And this one as well. And get those out. Grab the sensor. Just rotate it a little bit and slide it up. Here's the old sensor. Here's the new mass airflow sensor from 1aauto.com. The shape is the same, has the same O-ring. The body of the sensor is the same with the same screw holes, and the connector is the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Take the new sensor. If you see any dirt around where the sensor's gonna get installed, you're gonna wanna wipe that. You could use a rag and just slide that in position. Take the screws, get these screws started. Take a screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and tighten these down. Don't tighten them down too tight because it is plastic that you're screwing into, so just snug. That's good. Take the connector, line the connector up, and lock it down.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.